Well, good afternoon, friends. It's Running Kimono, and oh my gosh, I went to Walgreens today, got a really great haul, including some really cheap gift sets. Now, we're going to talk really quickly about this booster, and if you really pay attention to the details, it's going to start on Thursday, the 29th, and go right till January the 4th. So it overlaps 2 weeks, and it's $7 back when you spend 25. I guess that's Walgreens' attempt at a Christmas gift for us. And they're in my brain. There's already like 3 deals that are floating around that are going to be absolutely superb with this booster. Thursday, oh my gosh, it's on. I'm probably going to make a special video on Wednesday to get you guys organized, but this is actually a gift. Go check your digital coupons folder at the top if you might have this booster, and it is rock and roll time starting on Thursday with this booster. I'm pretty hyper about it. So lots of the Christmas stuff is officially 50% off. I mean, if you wanted to throw a little bit of Walgreens cash into the mix and make something happen, everything from bags and bows to gift wrap and stuff, they're kind of being somewhat coy with their signage because usually I can predict when this is going to hit 75 or 80, but right now it's completely up in the air. When I have any information or somebody leaks a memo to me, I'll be sure to share with you guys. But whatever you might need, like by all means, now is the time. Even at 50%, you can kind of cherry pick specifically what you want. Lots of kids' toys also, and the gift sets, which we will talk about in a hot second. A lot of these are $5, and if you can use Walgreens cash, hello, that's like super, super, super smart. Instead of actually opening up your wallet. Now, as I was saying, the signage was kind of off. See how it's valid from the 26th to the 30th? There is no way they're going to march at 50% off for the entire month of January. They're going to hit at least 60, 70, or even 80 like they did last year, and then box it off, set it to head office, and whatever they do with it, or donate it. But this is interesting where they're not really giving us a lot. In the Christmas merchandise aisles, there's usually two of them facing each other. They obviously want to put the Valentine's Day stuff out. They had a lot of these Christmas gift sets. They're all priced about $10 a pop. And I actually did open all of them. Like, is there any coupons in there? I did not grab anything with coupons. I kind of grabbed the stupidest gift sets. But just to show you, this one is $5. I mean, to use $5 in Walgreens cash. The blades alone, that triple pack of blades, I think is like upwards of $15 to $18. They're really expensive blades. They have shaving cream around them. If you're a lazy shaver like yours truly, they're totally worth their weight in gold, even for $5. So the last couple that were there, I bought all of them. A favorite of mine, this razor. Unfortunately, no digital coupons would attach, no IBOTTA rebates, and no coupons inside of the box. I did check, like, would this be worth it? You know, is there coupons in there? No. The Dove surprised me. They're actually full-size items, and there are no coupons in there either. And I also got the Chic ladies one, and there was no coupons in there as well, along with the Venus, just to note that. So I know that Olay, Caress, and Old Spice have coupons, but these ones, not so much. Trying to figure this out, guys. If you just wanted to spoil yourself with some gift sets, grab 4 of them at $5 a pop. That's $20. Use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay down the tax. If you have store register rewards, by all means throw those in as well. But this is just an opportunity to get stuff on the cheap if you love to gift these, or if you want to have them, like myself. That Intuition razor, we haven't had a really good coupon deal in that in probably 6 months. So for me that uses those razors, I absolutely am going to stock up at $5 a pop because that is a Christmas gift right there. And just to show you guys the store register rewards from last week, I had a $4 and a $5. Now, just to let you know, I tried to use both of these in a transaction. Only one will work. So you pick which one. If you want to use a 4 or a 5, you're obviously going to have to use them in 2 separate transactions. I tried. Did not work for me. Now, yesterday I made a video, the Walmart gift sets that are 50% off, and a lot of these have really nice coupons inside. I really want the Dollar Shave Club ones, so I'm definitely going to go out later today and look around for those. I know Caress, Old Spice, and Olay have coupons, but if Walmart's more of your speed, using an IBOTTA gift card, I mean, using Walgreens cash is also a super smart way to go. Or if you wanted to use those pesky store register rewards, also super smart. Want to check out the Walmart lineup? They obviously have more gift sets than Walgreens. check out this video at the end. Now, another deal, if you're just itching to go to the store, we're going to talk about them. Obviously, we're not doing any deals with boosters because we don't have an active one, and none printed for me today, which is really weird. The first deal we're going to talk about is with the Crest, and we're going to grab 4 of these guys. And the deal is when you buy 3 of them, you get back a $5 register reward. But for this specific deal, grab 4 toothpaste for $12. And why are we grabbing that third one? Because we have this digital coupon, which is a $6 off of 4. So that's the deal. So grabbing 4 of these, that's $12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6, get back a $5 register reward. It makes it $1 for the 4 or 25 cents per tube of toothpaste. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, by all means go for it, but just an inexpensive toothpaste deal. Like a good poker player, if you want to hold this one till Thursday, that might be a smarter way to do it. But if you just have an itch to get out and get your toothpaste today, that's a deal for you. The next deal that we have is with the Cottonelle toilet paper. This is usually $7.49, and the toilet paper math is that this pack of 4 is actually 16 rolls. They're very thick rolls. You might want to check them out at the store if that is your thing. And just to show you guys the tag, $7.49 down to $4.99. Unfortunately, no digital coupons to go with, but we're going to grab one of these guys for $4.99. So see how it says 4 equals 16? I mean, it does last quite a while. If you head over to your IBOTTA account, there is $1 back that you can do up to 5 times. So if you wanted to grab, 5 of these, you'll get $5 back, but I only grabbed 1 today just to show you guys. Now, I had this bizarre register reward from last week. So it's $4 off, and it's a store register reward. So yes, I wanted to spend it. I obviously can't use this in concert on Thursday, so I had to use it today. I just wanted to get it out of my wallet. So grabbing one of these Cottonelles for $4.99, subtracting that $4 store register reward, I had to pay 99 cents out of pocket, made that dollar submission to IBOTTA, and I call this a super smart deal. If you don't have that $4 store register reward and you want to use some Walgreens cash, by all means use it and, submit that receipt to IBOTTA for your dollar back. We have this deal back, so it's a notable one. I think it is your detergent deal of the week. Unfortunately, that $2 digital for the Tide Simply, I cannot get it to attach, so it is what it is. But it is the Tide Simply, the Downy, and the Bounce dryer sheets, and then there's an Unstoppable as well that are all for $9. If you wish to mix and match, especially if you're a newer couponer, if you want to get 1 detergent, 1 fabric softener, 1 dryer sheet, 1 scent bead, yes, you can do that. You can absolutely mix and match, but please make sure you're grabbing the right ones priced, 4 for $9. You're not grabbing the more expensive ones because they all look very similarly. I've been in that boat too. Sometimes you just grab the wrong one because your brain is moving faster than your hands. And then this little baby one of the Unstoppables, 4 for $9. I grabbed 4 of the dryer sheets, so this 60 count, that's $9 on the nose. And then I utilized this guy, which is a $4 store register reward from last week, throwing it into the deal. So just to go through the math, guys, 4 of those dryer sheets is $9 on the nose. Subtracting the $4 store register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, this girl will pay down the tax. I believe this is a really good stock-up price, especially for newer couponers. If you might have register rewards, Walgreens cash, whatever you might have to throw into the mix, super smart. Yet another superb deal is with both the Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash. So these guys are priced this week for $4.99. Buy 2 of them, get back a $5 register reward. And those of you that are like, I need to see the tag. Here is the tag. And so it's either with the Irish Spring or the Soft Soap. Grab 2 of them for the $5 register reward, whichever ones you want. And then just to show you, they gave us a gift on Sunday, which is the $2 digital coupon. So make sure you have this one loaded for this deal. 2 of the Irish Springs is $9.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $7.98 out of pocket. Getting back a $5 register reward. The final price point is $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per body wash. That's super cheap. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, by all means, but if you want to wait till Thursday, that might be a smart thing to do. Now, in the cleaning aisle, they have a lot of disinfectant wipes, cleaners that have been I don't know, like $1 off for the longest time. It's exactly 50% off. I saw the orange tags go up today. So if you need some disinfectant wipes or cleaner, you might want to look through that aisle for these orange tags at your store if you have a really big itch to go shopping. Before I take off, let's have a quick little giveaway for a Walgreens $10 gift card. In the comments, I want you to tell me what your biggest savings of the year was. If you got a haul for next to nothing or one item that you really stocked up on, whatever it might be, just let me know. And also tell me where you're from. So, for example, if you saved, really big on paper towel this year or something you really need to stock up on, lima beans from Meyer, just write whatever your biggest savings was and where you're from. So, for example, if you saved big on Cottonelle toilet paper, write Cottonelle from Columbus, Ohio, and that is your entry. One entry per person, and the winner's name will be picked and pinned to the top of this video on Friday, December the 30th. Good luck, guys. And again, I'm probably going to make a video about the 7 back when you spend 25. I'm pretty excited by that booster. And probably an extra haul later this week from Walgreens from me. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.